Hi, hello, Satyakal. You all are watching Punjab KC Now the Times, and we have with us right now a very gorgeous woman, an actress, and a doting mother and wife too. Yes, I'm talking about Miss Geeta Basra. Geeta, welcome to Punjab KC Now the Times. How are you?
Thank you, both achievement. It's great to be here. Punjab Kesari I've done. It's always great to be back with you guys.
Thank you so much. It's always an honor to have you for an interview. So I would love to start with like मैंने आपका इंस्टा बहुत मैं फॉलो करती हूँ तो मैंने उस पे देखा how are your virtual meetings with Bhaji going on?
Virtual meetings ही चल रहे हैं वही कितने दिनों से the moment Jovan was born, he's now back to his schedule of Kabir and he had kept everything for after his birth because obviously me being pregnant, he didn't want to give anyone any time. We were very precautious and extremely careful.
Oh
And
wow.
him, yeah. So now that Jovan's here, he's back to his duties of giving this person his dates and that person this brand, wo brand.
वैसे क्रिकेट की अगर बात करें तो हाउ डू यू सी क्रिकेट एज मतलब हाउ मच लव डू यू हैव पर्सनली फॉर क्रिकेट?
I love the game. In fact, I was introduced to the game only after I was dating Harbhajan. So I had no clue as to what this game was about and kya hai, iske rules and kya hai. All I knew was there was a bat and a ball, but the technicals I didn't really understand. But after dating him and understanding the game, you get so lost in it that you end up watching every ball, and maza aata hai, especially PL where it's a very fast, very very quick game and कुछ होता है in 20 overs कुछ भी हो सकता है. I think that's the beauty that till the last ball anything can happen.
अच्छा कभी कभी इस बात का रिग्रेट भी होता है लाइक ऑन सम वेरी स्पेशल डेज व्हेन यू वर एक्सपेक्टिंग भज्जी विद यू जस्ट लाइक ऑन करवा चौथ आल्सो व्हिच रिसेंटली वेंट अवे एंड ही वाज ऑन अ वर्चुअल कॉल विद यू तो कभी ऐसा रिग्रेट होता है उनके प्रोफेशन की वजह से कि मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए था बट नहीं थे ऐसा कभी लगा?
Yeah, of course. Special moments, festivals,
है ना?
occasions जब होते हैं तो obviously
हम्म
होता है कि you want your loved ones to be there and
हम्म
your husband, मेरा birthday हो he wasn't there for this birthday of mine and करवा चौथ and then Diwali ऐसे कितने ऐसे चीजें हैं जहाँ वो यहाँ नहीं मौजूद हैं so
हम्म
obviously miss him on special
हम्म
occasion.
Definitely. Acha, if we talk about you being a newly mother once again, second time mother, I must say, in July, if I'm not wrong, है ना? 20th of July or है
Yeah,
ना?
yeah. Free July के ही
You
है.
gave.
I 1 hour.
Acha. So you gave birth to a like very beautiful son. So congratulations for that. But
Thank
your pregnancy period was really difficult because although it was in the COVID-19 pandemic, so you were going through a mental health pressure also. And we have seen you posting so many videos on your prenatal yoga classes. You were inspiring the women of our country, I must say. All the expectant mothers, जिनकी वजह से आपने वो videos post किए. मैं जानना चाहूंगी, does that holistically, how did that holistically change you as a person?
So, there's pros and cons to this pandemic of
हाँ.
being pregnant.
Hmm. Hmm.
First is the pros are that you're very relaxed in the comfort of your own home. You don't have
Hmm.
the pressure of getting ready to go somewhere. इधर जाना है उधर जाना है ये social event है वो
हाँ. Hmm.
relax थी घर पे थी
Hmm.
अपने बच्चे के साथ थी अपने फैमिली के साथ थी तो वो चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and I got some
Hmm.
very amazing quality time with my daughter. Um,
Hmm.
but the cons were yes, I couldn't go out. I couldn't do other classes which I had done with Hinaya's when I was pregnant with
Hmm.
Hinaya. Aquanatal to
Hmm.
pre. I mean, although I did yoga, but there were so many other classes that pregnant women can do today, like
Hmm. Hmm.
Pilates and so many different activities.
Hmm.
And I couldn't take Hinaya out anywhere. I couldn't
Hmm.
get her involved in outdoor activities because me being
Hmm.
pregnant, extra precautious. I wasn't
Hmm.
vaccinated.
अच्छा.
So there were cons to that, yeah. So there was the flip side of like I said, not being able to go out anywhere. Um,
Hmm.
but still being comfortable and relaxed in your own home. वो भी था. So there's two sides of every coin. So there was the good side and the bad side.
Hmm. Acha, when I talk about females now, I think pressure comes complementary to them, especially when you are a mother too. And you are a mother of two kids. How do you manage it so well?
I don't know how well. I'm trying my best. I do, as every mother, we always,
Hmm.
sometimes are too hard on ourselves. And
Hmm.
it is all about Joven's schedule right now. Hinai has a very, very fixed timing to everything
Hmm.
because she's five
Hmm.
now. So from her waking up to her school, to her classes, to
Hmm. Hmm.
her lunch, sleeping time, everything is,
Everything.
you
Hmm.
know, with Joven, it's the opposite. He's too young.
Hmm.
He's only 3 months. So for him, I'm according to his schedule. Kab usne uthna hai, kab sona hai, kab khana hai, kab
Yes, absolutely.
to him. So it's adjusting and juggling between both the kids of her
Hmm.
needs and his needs, trying to be there for both. I'm only one, and I feel like I have to be both with both of them right now. I'm the mother and the
You have to
father.
take out your Xerox copy. Uh-huh.
Yes, yes, I really wish there was a clone of me so I could be with both at the same time, but sometimes you can't. But
Wow, sometimes managing it single-handedly, it's a bit difficult, no? Very challenging.
I'm very hands-on mother, so I like to do everything
Oh,
myself.
wow.
Just to bath times, to everything, like I love
Hmm.
it. I love
Hmm.
he's this little, you just want to just constantly cuddle him and hugs and kisses and it's a beautiful time.
And each pressure settles down with that, है ना?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
With
So
that
it's
hug.
only for a matter of a certain amount of time. Then they grow up so quick. Like Hinaya is 5, and I just feel like how has she grown up so quickly? Like she's
Hmm.
only born yesterday, and I feel like she's only 5. She's so quickly.
Hmm. अच्छा इस बारे में कभी लाइक अपनी मॉम से भी डिस्कस करते होंगे ना?
Yeah, well, yes and no. I mean, I feel like every parent, once you're a mother, it's one of those things you can't define. Like, you just fit in. Like, things come to
Hmm.
you.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like, I feel
Hmm.
like every mother has their own way of raising their children.
Hmm.
And,
Hmm.
my mom is like definitely my role model. I love the way she has raised us and the fact that she's juggled her businesses as well as raising kids, 3 kids.
Hmm.
So I like
Hmm.
much to learn from her, that how she
Hmm.
managed to raise her kids so well, and as well as being a working woman, working mom.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I really do take inspiration from her. Another flip side to this pandemic was that the fact that she couldn't be with me. I had to mention that, like, yeah,
Absolutely.
once their mom around when they have
Hmm.
their kids,
Hmm.
and unfortunately my mom couldn't fly down because of the pandemic and there was no flights,
Hmm.
so that was another thing that I really miss.
Hmm.
But
अभी तो
yeah,
फ्लाइट्स आर ओपन ना लेकिन
yes, now they're open, but
Hmm.
now I'm looking to go back home.
very nice. So when are
Yeah.
you planning to visit?
I'm looking at Christmas. I want to take my daughter
Okay.
for Christmas, yeah, because I've missed the last 3 Christmases in
Hmm.
UK.
Hmm.
I'm
Hmm.
fingers crossed. I'm praying that I get to UK this Christmas.
Very nice. Achha, although you have Hinaya with you, you are like you were the first time mother with Hinaya. But when Joan, you gave birth to Joanne, what kind of added responsibility you felt as a mother?
My responsibility was making sure that she gets the
Hmm.
attention and my focus.
Absolutely.
Joven is young; he doesn't
Hmm.
understand
Hmm.
anything. He's obviously a baby, so
Hmm. Hmm.
he won't understand. Jovi just whether it's
Obviously.
my sister-in-law feeding him or my
Hmm.
niece
Hmm.
feeding him. Usko koi pata nahi hai. He just wants his milk. But
Hmm.
she
Hmm.
knows, right? So she needs her mother's attention. She
Hmm.
needs her mother's love. So for me, it was balancing between
Hmm.
both of them. I think that's the hard.
Hmm. So in fact, about parenting also, I would need to like discuss it with you. Like as parents, you and Bhaji would get to learn so many new things each and every day with your
Absolutely.
kids, है ना? So I would love to know about that. The process of parenting are you going through?
We learn so much from kids. I think they say that
Hmm.
uh, we give birth to the child, but they also give birth to us. I feel
Hmm.
like we are born, our rebirth has started. Like as humans,
Hmm.
there's so many things we didn't know about ourselves
Hmm.
that we've learned after being parents.
Hmm.
The term
Hmm.
unconditional, like you just don't realize that word until you
Hmm.
are a parent. Like everything is about your kids, everything
Hmm.
is for your kids. What we do,
Hmm.
we just it's all about them, their future, uh, the
Hmm.
way they grow up, the way they every
Hmm.
like I said, even if I go shopping, I don't even go to my section first. I go to the kids section before anything else because
Because
I want
kids become your priority. Huh?
they
Absolutely.
shop for them, and then I'll shop for myself. So I think
Hmm.
said like you just learn so much after being like having a child as parents, patience, and um, you know uh, things like that we learn. Patience is
Hmm.
a huge thing, of which maybe like a person like me, I was very maybe a little impatient about things, that I wanted things like instantly to be done or whatever. But with kids, you learn that it's about them.
Patience. Hmm.
We've got to be very calm, very collected in front of them. So certain
Hmm.
things like that, like I've learned a lot with having two kids.
But what I personally think is that this one patience, secondly, motherly instinct is inbuilt in a woman or in a female, even if she is not a mother.
I'm telling you, every
Hmm.
woman is born with it. It
है
just
ना?
और
Hmm.
जब आपके बच्चे होते हैं every I can see it
Hmm.
even in my daughter, like she's a 5-year old but her
Wow.
instincts is there, like she is so responsible with Jovan, the way she will look after him, the way she's so motherly around him, the way she's
क्या
like
बात है?
constantly hugging him and kissing him and asking me, Mama, can I change his nappy? Can I help you with time? And very protective. She doesn't want anyone going around him and near him. So
Hmm.
every girl is born with that instinct. It just
Hmm.
वो बाहर आता है जब आपका बच्चा
Hmm.
होता है ना, then you feel like yeah इस वो जाग जाता है जैसे बोलते
कितना
हैं.
अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे ये सारी बातें जान के आज, है ना?
Yeah. I hope God, अगर नहीं है आपके बच्चे तो I hope
No, I don't have kids.
with this beautiful journey in your life.
Hmm. Definitely, being a mother is a very beautiful journey. I would love to be a part of this journey in future. But I think this is somehow like different from social media versus the reality. You know,
Yes,
it's a
yes.
tough phase to go through. Pregnancy is a really tough phase. How would you
You
describe?
have to tackle very
Hmm.
smartly this journey
Hmm.
of it's not there's you're not gonna have the easiest of days. You're gonna have very difficult days. You're gonna have days
है
where
ना?
you want to hair out and
हाँ. हाँ.
literally
Pull
just
your hair and say, why this is happening to me only?
want kids around you. You just want to have your own time. That saying, there is that time where you just feel like there's nothing better, nothing can top your children.
Think of you as an actress, है ना? And think of you as a mother. What
Yeah,
change you realize in yourself or you see yourself in yourself right now?
both. There's so many changes. Like I said, patience and
Patience. हाँ, हाँ,
priorities. And, um, at that time, everything was about myself, right?
हाँ.
Everything is about
Hmm.
me. Like what I
I
want.
me myself. I me myself.
I want to
Hmm.
wake up. I want to sleep. Everything.
Hmm.
What I wear,
Hmm.
where I go. Today, obviously, things have changed.
Hmm.
So
Even your mental health was not in an appropriate manner it was going to because you have had two miscarriages before you gave birth to Jovan. So I can understand that it must have been a very challenging phase for you to go through. And during the pandemic, you got expecting with Jovan. So can you please take us through that? That how did you overcome that mental health issues?
yeah, so before Jovan, like I say, Jovan is my rainbow baby, where he's come
Mm.
after two miscarriages, and it was a very,
Mm.
very tough time. Like of two
Mm.
back miscarriages, going through
Mm.
it. Your hormonal changes, your body changes, your
Mm.
mental changes, everything. It was a huge. It had a huge impact in my life where
Mm.
you struggle, you try to find answers, and for whatever reasons those miscarriages happen. um, you've got to pick yourself up and move forward. And I think that is
Mm.
something I wanted to reach out to women out there. And the reason I spoke about it was because of that, the fact that don't
Mm.
give up. It's so easy to kind of constantly put yourself down or go into this shell and yes, cry about it. That's fine, but the moment you cry, let it out, get back up and keep trying, and it will happen. Like it is something that this you know I wanted to tell you that how literally how common it is. Like literally the other
Mm.
day, days back, my friend, a very very close friend, came to me and told me her journey. Like in the last 2 months back, she went through a miscarriage, and I realized
Mm.
that how common this is, and how women, like, she cried and she just felt like I can't do this anymore. And I said, don't do that. Don't give up. Like it will happen. Whatever reasons, for whatever reasons it happened, like this miscarriage happened, doesn't mean it's going to happen the next time. It could
Mm.
happen. It will happen. The fact that you can conceive, the fact that you were pregnant, the fact that you were able to
Mm.
conceive is a good sign. And
Mm.
don't let a miscarriage deter you from that journey, and that is one of the sole reasons I spoke about it, because so many women reached out to me and said, thank you for giving us this hope, thank you for allowing us this, for you to speak about it. Like I feel like a lot of people feel that us as celebrities, we have it easy. You just see this journey of me being
Not
pregnant,
at all. Not at all.
and us
Mm.
having the baby. But they don't see that journey of what we've gone through to that. Like having two back to back
Mm.
miscarriages was not easy. It was a very, very traumatic time. And I feel like sometimes you just don't want to talk about it. Sometimes you just need that compassion, empathy. You just need that hug. Even that makes a lot of
Mm.
difference. That support system, you know. Um,
Mm.
that's all we require as girls. It's just that
Mm.
comfort. Um, Without even saying anything. Like it's
Mm.
not something that there are answers for, or something we've done, or something that's our fault or whatever. But
Mm.
it will happen. Like I just feel like women need to stay positive. People ask me, how
Mm.
did you come out of it? And I said I was positive. My gynac was extremely, he was an amazing guy. He
Oh
kept me
wow.
throughout this whole journey. He said, Geeta, it will happen. Don't put yourself down. Like don't think otherwise. Whatever's happened has happened, is gone. But tomorrow,
Mm.
you start straight away. It doesn't mean that you wait for this amount of time. There's a lot of preconceived notions like, miscarriage hua, I should wait, I should get my body back. Kuch nahi, just
Mm.
keep, you know.
Absolutely. And you have done it all because you have inspired so many, not only expectant mothers, but the women of our country who are like future mothers, मैं कहूँगी.
Just basically to allow them to make them
Hmm.
understand. I also have gone through it and I know what you're going through. And
Hmm.
you know, like whatever help and whatever advice I can give out there,
Hmm.
I would love to just help women out there. And I think that's something that honestly I really can vouch, and I can say this, that like I said, the whole journey, the moment that child is conceived,
Hmm.
most of the 90% of women will already have that bond with that child. Like it's inside us.
Hmm.
It's a different feeling. For a guy, it's
Hmm.
different. For a
Hmm.
father, like I said, their bond
It's
starts.
totally different. It's totally different.
Feel it, we have conceived it, it's inside of us. So
Hmm.
that moment, it's the most traumatic moment that we can ever go through, to lose that little life. But that doesn't mean
Inside you.
the journey,
Hmm.
and it's the end of you being able to have a baby. It
Hmm.
will happen.
Okay, you got a normal delivery or C-section वैसे second?
I'm blessed in the fact that both my kids have been normal. So
Oh
if
wow, yeah. That's a
it's
blessing.
it's great if you guys you practice
Hmm.
something like yoga in your pregnancy.
Hmm. Acha, how do you remain so fit all the time in shape? We always see you whenever we see
Thank you. I think right now that
you.
I'm doing, except of eating well,
Acha,
very
okay.
health conscious anyway. I've always been very health conscious of what I'm eating and what
Hmm.
I'm not eating. Like, although I had my
Hmm. Hmm.
Panjiri and had all that, but still, I have a nutritionist who has guided me throughout my, uh,
Shweta
you
Shah.
know,
Hmm.
post pregnancy and while I was pregnant, before I was pregnant. So she's guided me of what I should eat, the nutrients that I should be getting inside my body. Don't look at having weight
Wow.
loss because you are a mother, and I feel like your energy and your nutrients that you're giving your baby, you should be eating well, and not doing all these diets and stuff right now. It's not the time. Just enjoy your
Hmm.
motherhood, enjoy your pregnancy, and later on go back into your whatever fitness and stuff. I don't have time to be practicing yoga right now or being fit. I wish I could, but I'm struggling with that 1 hour, 2 hours of mine to give myself right
So sometimes it's a challenge to give you me time for
right now.
yourself, to take out that me
Um,
time.
my
Hmm.
day is packed. I just don't have time to give that 1 hour, but I will in the near future. I will start. Once he's a little settled
Hmm.
and into a routine, then it's easier.
Acha, are there any, like, you have shared some myths, do's and don'ts about the diet pattern that usually the expecting mothers follow,
ये नहीं
especially
खाना
follow?
चाहिए, वो नहीं खाना चाहिए, पपाया नहीं खाना चाहिए, और certain things नहीं सब
Ah.
chai coffee allowed me है सब allowed है, you can have it to a limit. And I've in fact on my Insta I have a video where I've given advice
Hmm.
to expectant mothers of what they should eat during their pregnancy with my nutritionist. So
Hmm.
anyone who needs that advice and guidance, please go on to my the video.
Yes, absolutely. But one thing I would like to ask you, Geeta, that what is the best recipe that you have got during the pregnancy from Feta?
The best recipe. Oh, there's so many. I love my paneer wraps. I really enjoy. I
Oh,
love
wow.
paneer. I can have paneer for breakfast, dinner. Like I
Hmm.
love paneer. So paneer wraps given. She
Hmm.
had given dal khichdi. So laddus she
Aha.
had given. These laddus that
Hmm.
had come for my pregnancy, like amazing laddus, like made of dates and sun nuts and stuff. So that was really yummy to have
Oh,
a
wow.
tea. So yeah, there's a lot of things she's given me. So I think she's got amazing recipes. I'm a vegetarian, so there's a lot of veg, non-veg recipes that she gives you.
Amazing. मुंह में पानी आ गया. I'm mouth watering right now. And I'm really happy to know that you have enjoyed the journey of being pregnant, being expecting, and now also being a mother of two, you are enjoying this journey also. So
Yes,
beautiful.
thank you. It's a very content feeling. I love the having kids. My kids are my world.
Thank you so much, Geeta. It's lovely talking to you once again on Punjab Sushi.
Take care.
Thank you.